Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
How are you,
ma'am.
How was your Onam?
Good.
Good,
It was
fine.
good. And
Ah,
it was great.
Good.
it was great. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yesterday I go to a resort.
you go to a,
Resort in
you
Wayanad.
went to a resort. Wow. Okay. Enjoyed there.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, you went morning? You went in the morning,
No, in the evening.
in the evening, and came back in the evening itself, at night,
Yes, in 8
Ah.
o'clock or so.
at 8 o'clock. Okay, enjoyed a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. Where was the resort? At which place?
Wayanad.
Why not?
Yeah. Now I am in Wayanad.
Oh, you are in Wayanad. Who is there in Wayanad?
My papa's father and mother.
Is it? Okay, good. A nice place, isn't it? Cold place,
My
right?
papa is from Wayanad.
Okay, good. It is a cold place, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Okay, children. We were doing the comparison, isn't it? I have
Yeah.
sent the notes. I had sent the notes that day itself, before the holidays. You have completed the notes?
Yes. Yes.
All of you have completed the notes?
Yes.
2 homeworks were also there, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you do that homework also?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So today we will be doing the comparison of 3-digit numbers. Okay. Before that, let me mute.
Three-digit numbers.
Yes, 3-digit numbers. Now let me mute everybody because a sort of disturbance was there, isn't it? Okay. Now, don't touch your book. Just fold your hands and look at the board. I will be showing you some problems of 3-digit numbers, and I will show you how to put the symbol greater than, smaller than, equal to. Okay. Don't write anything. Just fold your hands and look at the board. Let me share the board. Can you see a beautiful blue color board? Yes? Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to write the heading on it. Don't write anything. We are going to learn comparison of 3-digit numbers. The symbols are greater than. This symbol is put when the first number is greater. When the first number will be greater, we will put the symbol greater than. This is less than. This symbol is put when the first number is smaller. When the first number will be smaller, we put the symbol less than. When the first number will be greater, we will put the symbol greater than. And if both the numbers are equal, we will put the symbol equal to. If both are same, we will put equal to. I already sent the notes. I think you might have written the notes, isn't it? So when the first number will be great, we will put greater than. When the first number will be small, we will put smaller than. Equal to, you know. Now I'm going to write some problems. The first question, 428 and 546. Here, what you have to do first is underline the first digit of both the numbers, 4 and 5. Now, 4 is, just check the first number of first digit of both the numbers, 4 and 5. 4 is small. Since 4 is small, the whole number will be smaller. Since the first number is smaller, you have to put smaller than symbol, less than. And down of that, you have to write 428 is less than 546. Now, second question, 349 and 296. And Maria, don't play with the curtain. Let the curtain be there. Yes. 349 and 296. Underline the first digit, 3 and 2. 3 is greater. Since 3 is greater, the whole 349 will be greater. Since the first number is greater, put this is greater. So put the greater than symbol. And down of that, write 349 is greater than 296. One more problem. 934. 463. 934 and 463. These are the two numbers given. Underline the first digit of both the numbers. 9 and 4. In 9 and 4, 9 is greater. Since 9 is greater, the whole number will be greater. Since the first digit is greater, the whole number will be greater. And since the first number is greater, put the greater than symbol. And down of that, you have to write 934 is greater than 463. Got it, children? So what you have to do here is, what is the thing you have to do is, you have to underline the hundreds place. Then you have to check which number is greater. If the first number is greater, you have to put the greater than symbol. If the first number is smaller, put the less than symbol. Got it? So what is the thing you have to do? First thing you have to do is you have to underline the hundreds place, hundreds digit of both the numbers. Got it? Shall I give the problems now? Yes? Okay. I am going to disable the chat box. Nobody should send any message. Okay. Okay, do one thing now. Take your rough book, take a new page. Take a new page and put today's date. Today is 4/9/20, September 4th. Heading, comparison of 3-digit numbers. Down of that, write hundreds place. Today we are just learning about the hundreds place. Comparison of 3-digit numbers. Hundreds, please. Fastly. I'll be giving 5 problems. First, I will give 2 problems, then I will be asking the questions. You have to write the answer fast, then you have to answer the questions which I will be asking. Okay. Let us start. First question. 249. A box. 458. Leave little space down because we have to write the sentence. Second one, 396. 543. Okay. Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You are Anna Marie. Okay. Anna, first you read the numbers given in the first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
249.
Very good. 249. The next one?
458.
Very good. 249 and 458 are the questions. Now, what we will do first? What is to be done first? First, we have to underline.
2.
Underline 2 and
Write the less.
good. We have to underline 2 and 4. 2 is less. So, the whole 249 will be less, isn't it? So, which symbol is to be
Yes.
put? Less than or greater than?
Less than.
Less than. Since the first number is less, we have to put the symbol less than. Good. Now, what is the sentence to be written down, dear?
Less than.
Only less than is to be written? You have to write the number also, right?
Yes.
Yes.
249 less than
is 249 is
less than
yes
458.
458. Very good. Yes, good dear. Nessa.
Yes, ma'am.
Nessa, read both the numbers of second question.
3.
3.
396.
Yeah. Very good. 396. Good. Next one. Read the next number also. 500.
543.
543. Yes. Good. So what is to be done first, Nessa?
$546.
I asked what is the first step to be done. Anna Maria told me each step. In the same way, I want each step from you too. What is to be done first? Emmanuel, unmute. Yes. What is the first step to be done?
3.
Underline, isn't it? Underline 3 and firstly,
Put the symbol.
only 3 is to be underlined.
5.
5. Okay. Both the hundreds digit is to be underlined. 3 and 5. Now, what about the first number? Whether it is less or small? Less or great?
Less.
Less. 3 is lesser. So, which symbol is to be put?
Less than symbol.
Less than. The whole first number is less. So, you have to put the lesser than symbol. What is to be written over there down as a sentence?
306 is less
300.
than
300.
396
396 is
less than
less than
543.
Very good. 396 is less than 543. Good. Yes. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. Third one. 382 and 465. One more. Fourth one. 841, 841 and 638. Yes. Saharish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read both the numbers of the third question.
Okay, ma'am. 382 and 465.
Very good. 382 and 465. Good. Now, what is the first step to be written? First step to be done.
Hundreds place numbers.
Very good. Underline the hundreds place. 3 is to be underlined and 4 is to be underlined. Now, what about the first number? Whether it is smaller or greater?
Smaller.
Smaller. 3 is smaller. So, since 3 is smaller, the whole number will be smaller, isn't it? So, which symbol is to be put?
Less than symbol.
Less than. Less than. So, what is the sentence to be written?
382 is less than 460.
Very good. 382 is less than 465. Good. Now next question. Yes. Wait, let me ask to Agnes. Let me see whether Agnes will answer. Wait, run, Fred.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Agnes, fourth one. Read both the numbers first.
841.
Ah, good. 841.
One box is 638.
Ah, very good. For 841 and 638 are the numbers given. Now, what is to be done first?
841.
No, we have to underline some numbers, isn't it? Which all numbers has to be underlined?
8 and 6.
8 and 6. The hundreds place number is to be, digit is to be underlined. Now, what about the first number, whether it is small or big? 8 and 6. First number is 8, isn't it?
8 is greatest.
8 is greater. Good. So, since 8 is greater, the whole 841 will be greater. So, which symbol is to be put?
Open.
Which side open? Greater than or less than? If the first number is greater,
Greater than.
greater than. If the first number is greater, you have to put the greater than symbol. Now, what is the sentence to be written down?
841.
Yes, 841
One
is
greater than.
Is greater than
638.
638. Good. 841 is greater than 638. Good. So I'm going to give 2 more questions. Question number 5. 492 and 136. Sixth one, 581 742. These are the 2 numbers. Now let me ask the question to Ivan. Question
Yes,
number question number 5. Read both the numbers.
492.
Very good. 492. The next number?
136.
Very good. 492 and 136. Now what is to be done first?
Underline 4, 1.
Very good. Underline 4 and 1.
1.
Yes. Now, what about the first number 4, whether it is greater or smaller?
Greater.
Greater. 1 is smaller and 4 is greater. 4 is greater. Since first digit is greater, the whole number will be greater. Since the first number is greater, which symbol is to be put?
Greater than.
Greater than. Good. What is the sentence to be written down? Is it 49 too?
492 is
492 is
greater than 136.
136. Yes. Good. Good, dear. Now let me move to yes, Renfred. Renfred, you have already sitting unmuted, but I cannot. Huh? It is showing here that you are already unmuted, my dear. I think so. A small network issue is there, my dear. You are sitting already. You are unmuted, my dear. No? I think so. A small network issue is there with you. Okay, Agnes Gills. Let me move to Agnel Gills. Agnel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read both the numbers of 6th question.
5 underline.
Read the numbers, dear. Let me see whether you are.
581.
Very good. 581. And the second number?
742.
Very good. 742 and 581. Now, what is to be done first?
Underline the 5.
Underline 5.
I underline the 7.
Underline 7. Very good. Underline 5 and underline 7. Then, what about 5? Whether it is greater or smaller?
Smaller.
It is smaller. So, the whole number will be smaller. So, which symbol is to be put? First number is smaller, isn't it? So, which symbol is to be put?
Than.
Less than. If the first number is smaller, you have to put the symbol less than. Okay. Now, what is the sentence to be written down?
581.
581 is
less than.
Yes, 581 is less than
742.
742. Good. 581 is less than 742. Good. Okay. Okay. So, what is the thing you have to do first? First thing you have to do is, you have to underline the hundreds place number. And you have to decide whether hundreds place number, if the first number is greater or smaller. If the first number is greater, you have to put the greater than symbol. If the first number is smaller, you have to put the smaller than symbol. Okay. So first thing you have to do is, you have to underline the hundreds place number. That is the thing you have to do first. Okay. Now, I will be sending the notes, And I will send some homework also. You have to do it today itself. Okay, children? And the 4 children, those who are going to take the class tomorrow, have to be ready properly. Okay? And all the best to them. Adidev, Abha, Renfred, and Seharish. I have given the topic also, isn't it? Yes. Renfred, you are having, I think so, you are having some network issue because it is showing that you are already sitting unmuted. But I cannot hear you. You are muted, but it is showing here that you are unmuted. Okay. Okay. So let me unmute everybody now. Yes.
Yes, can you hear me? No, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Teachers Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.